In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Publishers Commission 2020 MCQs, that is, let L, M and N are three subspace of a vector space V such that M subset L, then solution theorem, that is, if L, M and N are three subspace of a vector space V such that M subset L, then L intersection into M plus N is equal to L intersection M plus L intersection N is equal to M plus into L intersection N. So option B is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.